Hello everyone! Welcome to the Unsalted Kitchen. Today I'm introducing you to how to make simple yet delicious carrot. The ingredients I'm going to use for making carrot cakes are flour, Work on the first half cake by topping with a little over and use the remaining frosting to frost the top and sides of the cake. Then top with pecans or other toppings of choice if desired. The reason I only put half pecans on the cake because Dad cannot have pecans or any nuts because of his conditions.